So it's Saturday and the folks are having a little shindig over here at the farm tonight, and not gonna lie, the driveway is looking pretty rough here with some potholes. Luckily they're just kind of down here, right here at the start of the driveway where it comes in off the road, but they're looking pretty bad right through here. So I'm gonna grab the tractor, come in here and try to fix some of this up. I've got a sand pile from an old pit on the back end of the farm. I'm gonna go get some sand back there and try to fill some of these in. I know what you're gonna say, and that's a box blade would be perfect for this. I don't have the skid steer with me, but a box blade on the Kubota would be perfect for this. Unfortunately, our box blade is messed up because Kelly was trying to go through a field with some roots and some stumps in it and clear it out, and he bent it. So all I've got is the angle blade, which should do the job just pretty much the same. I'm just gonna have to spin the blade around and to dress it back down away from the cutting edge. So we'll go get some sand, come in here and kind of dress this down, cut some of these holes out, and see what we come up with. Okay, so finished product here. Not my best work, I will say, but it's for the farm, not for a client. So plus I was kind of under the gun today to get this done. I had people coming over and trying to do all sorts of other things up there at the house, help Kelly with. So just want to come up here. He wanted me to come here and just kind of fix some of these bottomless potholes. So now the two in the front actually are pretty much gone, and the one that was down there was kind of low right there on the right side. It's, instead of it being a hole, it's more like a kind of a gentle dip now. So definitely a lot better. I brought the truck up here and just rolled over this with the truck several times. Just went back and forth over it with the tires and just kind of rolled it down. So it actually came out looking pretty good. Just a quick little Saturday project, make a quick video out of this. I'm not gonna lie, the box blade would have been way better for this. The angle blade that I had was not the best thing to go with, no doubt. There's no arguing that, but you make do with what you have, and just do the best you can. So hopefully I've got some more videos coming soon, and catch you guys later. Okay, so day 2 of the driveway project. Wasn't planning on working on this today. The tractor did an okay job yesterday. Wasn't the most ideal thing to get the driveway fixed. It actually held up pretty well yesterday. People yesterday and today driving over it. It's gotten a pretty good bit of usage since I fixed it yesterday with the comings and goings of yesterday afternoon and today. But Charlie and I went and got the skid steer in the dump truck this morning. I wasn't planning on doing that, but we ended up doing it. And so now I've got the dump truck and I've got the skid steer, and I think I've got enough sand back there at the pit in the back field to come up here and dump a load of sand. So I'm gonna go put the dump truck back there at the pit and go get the skid steer, and we're gonna load the dump truck up with a load of sand and bring it up here and feather it in with the skid steer. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe we get this actually fixed up a little bit better today. So see how this goes. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this so far. Probably gonna bring the truck up here and just try to roll it in. I don't have a roller. I wish I did. If I had a roller, I'd be in business right now with this, but I don't. So I think I'm just gonna get the truck and just come up here and just try to run it over with the truck tires and just kind of compact everything down. But everything's feathered in real nice. Potholes are gone. Everything looks good. Gonna get the rake and just kind of rake those edges off right up there too. But yeah, looks good. We'll go ahead and say I'm not Let's Dig 18 or Elite Earthworks on a skid steer. I'm still fairly new to that thing. I have a lot of hours on excavators, but not a lot on skid steer, so I'm still kind of learning. But I'm definitely not those guys. Elite Earthworks, man, that guy's the man on a skid steer. If you have not checked out his page, check him out. He's really good. But for me and for the driveway here, this looks pretty good.